The weather is too hot. I met a madman on my way home. The fair lady in this house is pregnant. My grandfather is at the hospital. My mother is a hardworking woman. It is the duty of a student to learn hard. The flight attendants gave an announcement before the journey started. My sister will arrive tomorrow. Where is your fair son? My father traveled to Accra. I am going to the market. Next 2 weeks is my birthday. Kofi is in the market buying fruits. There will be a holiday coming Friday. My auntie will come home because of the next week program. Thank you.